Good luck, guys. 2015-16 Excalibur basketball random teams number 37. Oh, that what you told him? Yeah, I wasn't even. Oh, I didn't even read that. Yeah, exactly. You can just do that. You can bid on it. If you win, you only pay 2/3 of the actual final price. This is random teams number 37, 5-boxer. Two people get into 15-16 Immaculate basketball case number 10, which is full and goes next. So it's randomized to get your teams. Then after you get your teams, we'll randomize your names 3 additional times, and the top 2 spots are in that Immaculate case. Good luck. 3 on the draw. We're going to go right into the break as well, meaning there will not be a separate team draw video from the break video. We're just going to roll it. Pressed for time tonight. Got a late start with a lot of breaks full. Good luck, everybody. Josh Hinge on top, Pac Nico on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. SND number 1, YBJ number 30. Alright, on to the teams. Wizards on the bottom, Blazers on top. 1, 2. Third and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your wings. 3. Rockets on top, Pacers on bottom. Alright, here's what you got. SMD Rockets, Juiced Up Bulldog Lakers, C Vessel Grizzlies, Pop Nico Suns, Unknown 409 Blazers, DJ Tricky Pelicans, KJR Corn Cavs, Beat Pick Pistons, Levo is in Celtics, Jaybird Jazz, YBJ T-Wolves, SD Boltman Wizards, TSDST5 Raptors and Mavericks, Annie Matthews Clippers, G-Man TD2 Warriors, Greg Thomas 82 Spurs, DJ Tricky Bucks, Adam Viet Heat, Card Addiction Hawks, Jaybird Kings, DNH Martin Thunder, G-Man TD2 Bulls, DJ Tricky Nets, NKJ Sixers, Josh Hinge Nuggets, Beat Pick Hornets, Unknown Knicks, Macho H Mavericks, Magic, and YBJ the Pacers. Okay, those are your teams. Let's randomize your names. 3 more clicks. Top 2 spots are in Immaculate case number 10. 1, 2, and the last one. Good luck. 3. MKJ and KJR Corn. Michael and Kenny. Congratulations, guys. Alright, yeah. Let's put you. Where are you right here? Immaculate number 10. Right there. Winner, chicken dinner. That break goes next. So, yeah, good luck on that one. Everybody else, start ripping right now. Let me just post the results on the website. The team draw. Right there. Print myself out a little paperwork and get started. You guys have some extra time right here to work on trades if you wish while I get all the cards out of the packs. All right. John Walker, boom. Let's get one. Back to the box of this stuff. This is boxes 15, no, yeah, 11 through 15 of the current case we've been working on, starting with number 35, 5 boxes number 35, 36, and now 37. So there's 5 boxes in the case after these. We won't be done with it. No kaboom yet out of this one. Sometimes you get no kabooms in a case, sometimes you get 2, right? Sometimes you get 1. But 0 so far here. Let's hope that there's 1 in here somewhere. The no kaboom cases are sucky. Those are the sucky kind. Court keys are better looking cards on the base cards and like the regular autos and stuff. Court keys better for sure. Sure, Boltman. Looking for some wizards. All wizard cards. You got them. Wow, there's one right there. Set it aside right now. Otto Porter. Boom. Shooting the lights out this year, Otto Porter. $15, $16 gold last year. Yeah, that was good. You still get that stuff at a pretty reasonable price. This one, this year's needs to freaking drop by another $20 a box before it's even close to being a good value. 16, 17 gold standard. Yeah, I think we're down to our last case of 16, 17. One of those just really happy to be gone. 4 boxes at a time. Starting to get a little scared though, you know. I've been buying up every basketball product they make in you know decent quantities. Everything they put out this year, basketball, we bought at least 5 to 10 cases, and sometimes more than that. With the shenanigans they pulled with NC football and now flawless football, I'm worried that it's all going to be for nothing as far as our allocations on immaculate and NC and flawless basketball. They'll probably come out and be like, oh, we're gonna, if you want NC football or NC basketball, you gotta buy Contenders college basketball at full price, $110 a box. Let's see, I'm a little worried. Or you gotta buy more black gold college basketball. Okay, no trades, right, guys? Okay, good luck to you. Got our penny sleeves ready to go here. Giannis Blue Crusade for the Bucks. Karl Malone for the Jazz, number to 99. Good first hit. Jay Bird. Old school jersey. Al Horford red for the Hawks. Head to toe, Stanley Johnson, 22 of 75. Hat, shoe, and autograph. Detroit Pistons beat pick. Stanley Johnson. James Harden for the Rockets, Blue Crusade. Gorgie Jang, the T-Wolves, to 299 autograph. YBJ. Marc Gasol red for the Grizzlies. And a gold. Look at that. The Wall Star. How about him? We got him. The Wall Star gold. Rusty Boltman. Boom. 10 out of 10. Oh my goodness. We did it. That's box 1. There is no 11 of 10. You're right. That is the last one they ever made. And you got it. Reggie Jackson for the Pistons jersey. Pete pick. Rookie Rampage, Carl Anthony Towns. Carl Anthony Towns, T-Wolves. YBJ and the Timberwolves. KAT Jumbo Jersey Auto Rookie. Boom! Who needs kabooms? We just got regular booms. Number to 70, Sam Decker for the Rockets. Gordon Hayward for the Jazz. Blue Crusade. Tim Duncan, Blue Crusade for the Spurs. That's box 2. Keep doing that. It's not box number 2. Grant Hill, Blue for the Pistons. LeBron James, jersey. KJ Arcorn and the Cavs. And Monte Ellis at a 70 for the Indiana Pacers. Dirk, blue on Dallas. Reggie Jackson again for the Pistons jersey. Pete pick. Rookie Rampage, D'Angelo Russell. Wow, same break with the KAT. Kabam. The Lakers, juiced up Bulldog. One of one, Drew Holiday base for the Pelicans. Black foil, 1 of 1. That is DJ Tricky. Nikolai Vucevic, the Magic, Blue Crusade. Tyreek Evans, the Pelicans, Blue Crusade. And Paul George for the Pacers, jersey, YBJ. Rudy Gobert to 70 for the Jazz. Hometown Heroes Baseball. Oh my gosh, how much did that run you? Like 20 bucks? Oh man, that stuff. How much did it cost for that box? You might make your money back. What'd you get out of there? Tony Gwynn auto. Ah, very nice. Dwight Howard for the Rockets. SMD. $40. I think that stuff was originally like at least twice that. 85, 90 bucks a box originally. Something along those lines. A Flalo for the Knicks. Red. Salah for the Dallas Mavericks at a $2.99 is the auto. TSDST5. Andre Drummond, Detroit Red. Patrick Ewing, blue for the Knicks. Emmanuel Mudiay. Rookie Rampage, Denver Nuggets. Josh Hinge. I'm looking for Nikolai Jokic nowadays for the Nuggets. Mudiay used to be the one you wanted. Jason Kidd, blue for the Suns. And Justice Winslow, blue for the Heat. Alright, 4 boxes done, 1 to go. Good luck. Rookie Rampage, Josh Hustis, Oklahoma City Thunder. The Tunda, D&H Martin. Number to 70, Paul George, Pacers. The purple, Robert Covington, 76ers, number to 60. Mario Hezonja, red, Magic. Tyson Chandler on the Suns, number to 199, Monumental Marks. Pac Nico with Phoenix. Drummond to 70, Detroit. Go Aztecs, Kawhi Leonard, blue to 70, or to, I don't even know what it's number 2, high number. Spurs. And LaMarcus Aldridge for the Spurs, last hit of the break. Jersey piece for Greg Thomas, 82. That's it, guys. I'll do a quick recap here of the stuff of note. Alright. Here's what we got. Some cards numbered out of 70 right here. Nothing big. Drummond, George, Gobert, Ellis, and Decker. Tyson Chandler auto. Covington to 60. Salah auto. A 1/1 Drew Holiday. A gold John Wall, 10 of 10. Gorgie Jang. LaMarcus Aldridge. Josh Hustis. Emmanuel Mudiay. Dwight Howard. Paul George. D'Angelo Russell. Reggie Jackson. LeBron James. Karl Anthony Towns. Reggie Jackson. Stanley Johnson. And Karl Malone. That's it. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Congrats again to Michael, MKJ, and KJR Corn for getting immaculate. Until next time, peace.